E03, Junior Engineer, S&T. Basic Electrical Engineering. Basic Concepts and Principles of D, C and A, C Fundamental, AC Circuits, Batteries, Electromagnetic Induction etc. Including constant voltage and current sources. Analog Electronics. Fundamental concepts of basic electronics and basic understanding of conductors, semiconductors and insulators, extrinsic and intrinsic semiconductors, p-n junction, need of rectifiers in electronics, understanding of filters in rectifiers, tunnel diodes, LEDs, varactor diodes, LCD, working of transistors in various configurations, concept of FETs and MOSFET etc. Control systems. Basic elements of control system, open loop control system, closed loop control system terminology, manually controlled closed loop systems, automatic controlled closed loop systems, basic elements of a servo mechanism, examples of automatic control systems, use of equivalent systems for system analysis, linear systems, nonlinear systems, control system examples from chemical systems, mechanical systems, electrical systems, introduction to Laplace transform. Transfer function analysis of AC and DC servomotor synchros, stepper motor, ampli-dyne, AC position control system, magnetic amplifier. Control system representation, transfer function, block diagram, reduction of block diagram. Problems on block diagram, Mason's formula signal flow graph. Time response analysis, standard test signals, time response of first and second order system, time constant, time response of second order system, time response specifications, steady state errors and error constants, problems in first and second order system. Stability, Routh-Hurwitz criterion, root locus, board plotting using semi-log graph paper. Introduction to multi-loop control system and its types. Feed-forward, cascade, ratio, split range, control system. Study of different processes using above-mentioned control systems. Nonlinear control system. Introduction, behavior of nonlinear control system. Different types of n-online arities, saturation, backlash, hysteresis, dead zone, relay, fiction, characteristics of nonlinear control system, limit cycles, jump resonance, jump phenomenon. Difference between linear and nonlinear control system. Electronic components and materials. Materials. Classification of materials, conducting, semiconducting and insulating materials through a brief reference to their atomic structure. Conducting materials, resistors and factors affecting resistivity such as temperature, alloying and mechanical stressing. Classification of conducting materials into low resistivity and high resistivity materials. Insulating materials, important relevant characteristics, electrical, mechanical and thermal. Just like Holy Mary, Mariana Cross. Insulating materials, important relevant characteristics, electrical, mechanical and thermal, and applications of the following material, mica, glass, copper, sliver, PVC, silicon, rubber, bakelite, cotton, ceramic, polyester, polythene and varnish. Magnetic materials, different magnetic materials, dia, para, ferro, and their properties. Ferromagnetism. Domains, permeability, hysteresis loop. Soft and hard magnetic materials, their examples and typical applications. Measuring instruments. Introduction to testing and measurements, measurement of resistance, inductance and capacitance, ammeter. Voltmeter and multimeter, power and energy measurements, frequency and phase difference measurement. Principles of instrumentation. Basic building blocks of any instrumentation systems, performance characteristics of oscillator instruments. Instrument selection, factors affecting instrument selection, accuracy, precision, linearity, resolution, sensitivity. Hysteresis, reliability, serviceability, loading effect, range advantage and limitation, cost effectiveness and availability. Static and dynamic response, environmental effects, calibration tools. Fundamentals of digital electronics. Concepts of digital electronics, number system, gates, codes, arithmetic logic circuits, flip-flops, shift resistors and counters. Basic of microprocessors. Architecture of a typical microprocessor, configurations and instructional pair configuration systems and working of various peripheral interface chips, 8085 microprocessors, architecture, instruction sets and introduction to 8086. Power electronics. Introduction to thyristors and other power electronics devices, controlled converters, inverters, choppers. Computer-aided instrumentation. Computer-aided instrumentation, buses and standards, introduction, bus types, the I/O bus A, ISA bus B, ASA. Bus C, PCI bus, GPIB 2.5. Minus 232 rupees, linear circuits and signal conditioning, parallel port, PP, interfacing techniques. Serial port, SP, interfacing techniques, USB port interfacing techniques. Quality and reliability techniques. Quality organization and management, introduction, quality policy, task for quality and introduction to total. Quality systems. Quality costs, prevention costs, appraisal costs, internal failure costs, external failure costs, impact of quality costs on profitability.